This is Fiorella Sonia Davis from anyhousecleaning.com. Today we were hired to do the deep cleaning the carpet, steaming the carpet. This is a move-in. Someone just bought the house and they cleaned the previous owner or the company that had the house. Really good. There's some things for like windows, and we're gonna do windows. Davis is doing windows. Open the window, remove the screen and clean the screens. We already have the screens right here. Things that people don't do, but the owner of the house, of course, wants everything. I'm putting more products right here. I'm using this product that is really good that you can look for in Amazon, just to remove a little bit of calcium. However, as I said, they clean really good. We are doing the things that usually people don't do, like this. You can see some dust. We're gonna take care of the baseboards, disinfect everything. We bring our vapor steamer and the truck to steam clean the carpet. Check it out, our YouTube channel. That is Any House Cleaning in Champions Gate, 407-572-4118. Thank you. Estaba verde, ¿no?
Sí, ¿en la ventana?
Sí.
Sí.
Sí.